Hello everyone and welcome back to my YouTube channel, The English Speaker. Friends, if you really want to learn how to speak English fluently, there is one golden rule for you. You must start speaking. No matter how much grammar you study or how many books you read, you will never gain confidence until you actually open your mouth and practice. But I know the biggest problem we all face. Who do we talk to? Maybe you don't have an English speaking environment at home, or maybe you feel shy talking to friends because you are afraid of making mistakes. If you are facing this exact problem, then this video is going to be a game changer for you. Today I am going to show you a method where you can practice English as much as you want. And the best part, it's completely free. I am talking about the ChatGPT application. Think of ChatGPT as your personal English speaking partner. The best thing about it is that you don't have to feel nervous at all. Why? Because it's an AI. You can make 100 of mistakes and it won't laugh at you or get bored. Instead, it will correct your mistakes instantly and help you improve. So without further ado, let me show you how you can practice live with ChatGPT and use it as your English teacher. Hello ChatGPT, now I'm alone and I don't have any companion to talk to, so I thought I should talk to you. Can we have a conversation so I can practice my English?
Hello. I'd be more than happy to chat with you. It's a fantastic way to practice. What's on your mind today? Or would you like me to suggest a topic?
Actually, I want to discuss how to stay motivated while learning a new language. Sometimes it feels difficult to keep going. What do you think?
That's a great topic. Language learning is a marathon, not a sprint. My advice is to focus on small daily wins and try to enjoy the process, like watching movies or talking to me. What motivated you to start learning English?
I want to reach more people through my work and share my knowledge. Speaking English fluently will help me connect with a global audience.
That is a very noble goal. Your dedication is impressive. If you keep practicing like this every day, you will definitely achieve your dream. Is there anything specific you'd like to work on today?
Not today, I just wanted to have a quick chat. Thank you for your encouragement. It really helps.
You're very welcome. Feel free to reach out anytime you want to talk. Have a wonderful day.
So friends, this is how you can practice and improve your English all by yourself at home. You don't need a partner and you don't need to spend any money. All you need is a little bit of time and the ChatGPT app on your phone. Remember, consistency is the key. Try to talk to the AI for at least 10 to 15 minutes every single day. And I promise you will see a huge difference in your confidence very soon. If you found this video helpful, please like my video and share with your friends, and don't forget to subscribe my channel.